Now we'll talk about carbon dioxide gas, which has the molecular formula CO2. Carbon dioxide is denser than air and can be collected downwards into a test tube, as you can see here, since it's denser than air, so it's collected downwards. It is only slightly soluble in water, so it doesn't completely dissolve in water, and so it can be collected over water as well. So since it dissolves a little inside water, we can also collect it over water. So carbon dioxide can be collected either downwards or over water. Now, what is the test used to make sure that this gas is carbon dioxide? Well, carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. To make sure that this gas is carbon dioxide, we put it with lime water. If it turns milky, then this gas is carbon dioxide. So we'll get a test tube containing lime water, and we will put carbon dioxide with the lime water. If it gave a milky water, then the gas is carbon dioxide. As you can see here, the water turns white or milky. This is how to make sure that the gas we have is carbon dioxide. Lime water is calcium hydroxide solution. The lime water that we put with carbon dioxide is a calcium hydroxide solution. Carbon dioxide reacts with it to form a white precipitate of calcium carbonate. So the milky water is calcium carbonate, since carbon dioxide reacted with calcium hydroxide to give calcium carbonate. So this is the equation that we have. Calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide react to give calcium carbonate plus water. So carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. Also, it is denser than air. It can be collected either downwards or above water. And the precipitate formed at the end is calcium carbonate.